to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be taking us through the Module 7 Challenge Lab, creating a VPC. So it's just going to be like a walkthrough, right? So because I already made this video, but for some reasons I noticed I wasn't sharing my screen, so I had to like recreate this. So task 1 is to create a public subnet. You have to navigate to your AWS management console and go to VPC, go to subnet, right? Go to subnet, click on subnet, create subnet. You have to specify the lab VPC, give it a name. In this case it's going to be public subnet. Availability zone, make sure the one that has a, then the IPv4 subnet size, specify this. So what you just have to do is to put the name here. Under availability zone, select this guy, scroll down and paste the IP here, right? Then click on create. So I already did that. I've done that already. So and I have my public subnet here. So the next task is to edit the route table that was created in your VPC by adding this route anywhere for the targets, right? So what you just have to do is go to the route table, right? You have to check for the one, right, with your VPC. So check this one, can you see, has lab VPC. If you check the second one here doesn't have, can you see that? So you have to specify, you have to use this, then go to route. When you get to route, click on edit route, add this, just click on add row, paste it here. So we have it here, this, right? Paste it, then you have to select the internet gateway. So you need to create that internet gateway. You need to create an internet gateway. I will go back to that step. So you need to create the internet gateway. Okay, so create, okay, this is it, number 6, create a new internet gateway and attach it to the VPC. So so for you to create the internet gateway, right, so we are done with this, then so you should be able to see the internet gateway here. Once you're done creating it, then click on save. So let's just go back and check for the internet gateway. Internet gateway just come here, that's number 6. Internet gateway, create internet gateway, give it a name, then click on create. I already did, so you can see it here. This is it. I just give it something random, just give it any name. So this is it. Then once you're done creating it, click on it, right, action. So I already attached it to a VPC, that's why you can see it here. So when you're trying to like do this, you have to click on attach to VPC and you have to select the lab VPC, right? Can you see? You have to select this. Then after that, you go to your number 7, edit the route table that was created and specify this. That was the previous step. Then once you're done, you need to create a Bastion machine. Go to your EC2 instance, create launch, click on launch instance. Sorry, I already selected something. Click on launch instance, right? Give it a name. Look at the name here. Bastion host. T2 micro as the instance type. The AMI still remain the same. Then required, choose this. So you see it there. Choose it, select it, then edit the VPC, the networking settings. Edit it and specify lab VPC. Then specify public subnet, and for auto assign public IP, choose enable. Under security group, make sure you select type SSH port 22. For source IP, choose my IP here. So I'm going to demo this now. Put the name here, name of the instance. Then the key pair, you have to select this guy. Then scroll down under network settings. Under network settings, just click edit. Once you click on edit, specify the lab VPC network. Right? Specify this guy. Not in a private though, it's in a public subnet. Public subnet. You have to enable it. Enable it. Then I think we need to create SG. So yes, create it, call it this name. Right? And SSH port 22, source type my IP. Correct? So scroll down, SSH, right? SSH source type my IP, right? So port 22 is by default. You should, yeah, can you see that? Once you're done, click launch here. Once you're done with that, scroll down, test the connection to the Bastion host. So you need to download the PEM key. How will you get this? Choose AWS details here. I'm using Linux, so I'm downloading this download PEM. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will download. Okay, let me just do that again. It will download. I already downloaded it. So this is the name, lab user, right? So download it. It should be under your sorry, let me clear this. It should be under your download, right? So once you're done downloading it, close it, connect your Bastion host by using the SSH. So you need to be able to connect to your Bastion host. How will you do that? You need to run these following commands. So this is my first key. Sorry, chmod 400, the PEM key directory, run it. Then you need to now SSH into it using this command. Use this command to SSH into it. This is it. So you'll be able to get this from the Bastion. So this is my home Bastion IPv4. This is my Bastion IPv4. So let's go back. Instance. So we're going to check this Bastion. You can see we have EC2 3-83184. So paste it here, click on enter. I don't know if this is going to work because I've ended the lab. Click on enter. You should be able to SSH into the Bastion machine. So the next step says so you should be able to, then you need to create a private subnet. Just follow the same step, the one you, okay, finally, can you see I'm inside my Bastion machine? Thank God. So now you need to create a private subnet. Go to your AWS management console, go to subnet, right? Go to subnet and create private. I already did. Create private subnet. Just follow the steps here. Then you need to create a NAT gateway. Create a NAT gateway. How will you create a NAT gateway? Just go to VPC, scroll down to, okay, where did I even get it from previously? Oh, sorry, you need to type NAT. So click on NAT gateway, right? Once you click on NAT gateway, So once we click on NAT gateway, create NAT. I already did, so I'm not going to be doing that again. Create NAT. You have to like specify the name, lab NAT. Choose the public subnet you created. So here, see, this is my public subnet. Select it, give it a name. Then you need to allocate elastic IP. Just click on allocate elastic IP. It will allocate it automatically. Yeah. So now, once you're done with the NAT, you click on create NAT. I already did, so I'm not going to repeat that. Once you click on create NAT, you should have this. So under this, just click on action. View the details. Right, so this is your NAT. So we need to do something again. So we need to like create a new route table that has the following options. So you need to create a new route table like we did. Go to route table, right? Create route table, specify the name, select the lab VPC, right? Select the lab VPC. Destination, attach this route table to the private subnet that you created. So once you're done with this, create it, go back. So we need to attach this route table to the subnet we created, to the private subnet, actually, to the private subnet. So go to your private subnet that I created earlier, click on it, click on route table, edit route row assertion. Then all you just have to do is to add this to it. Can you see here? And how will you do that? Actions, edit subnet settings. Okay, no, not here. So I think I already did, right? I already did that. Edit it. So you had it. So once you already did, can you see it here? So specify the NAT, choose the NAT gateway. So yeah, I think the nice video I picked it from here. Subnets. So yeah, that's all. I'll cover the task 6 and other tasks in the next video. Thanks.